What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tech with Ray, and today I have for you guys another unboxing. This time it's the Holy Pandas. It took about 3 months for it to get here, but it's finally here and I can't wait to show it to you guys. I haven't experienced this, so this will be all brand new to both of us. So let's get started. So let's start by unboxing. Alright, so I know this box is humongous, so I want to get this out of the way already. So we have a bunch of paper nonsense. So let's put that to the side. So here we have a smaller box, and you know, it's from Drop. It took so long, I really don't understand why it took so long. But hopefully it's worth it. And for those of you wondering, I think it was around like $70 for all of these. I think, if I'm not mistaken. So there we have it. Look at that. All right. So you can buy as many as you want, and it's probably like $1 per keycap, which is pretty ridiculous. But like I said, hopefully it was worth the wait, and we'll see. I'm going to try to also lube it up, but I'm not sure if that will be possible. This is a really annoying packaging. But let me fast forward through this.
Oh wow, that was wow. So now let's put this to the side and let's put the new keycap.
So now let's put that to the side and let's try these new key switches. And of course, we're gonna use the Drop Alt to make this happen. But first, I need you guys to listen to how it sounds with the brown switches, with the Cherry MX brown switches, and then we'll compare it to the Holy Pandas. Hopefully there's a big difference. So that was a sound test of the Cherry MX brown switches. So now let's swap out the Cherry MX for the Holy Pandas and see if there's a noticeable difference. I want to be able to lube it up, but I'm gonna need a lot of tools that I do not have at the moment. So let's just do this for now, and I'll do another video where I teach you guys how to lube it up too. And we're back. So I just took out all the keycaps and now I'm gonna do the same thing with the switches, and now it will do it fast forward. Alright, so we're finally done. That whole process took around 20 minutes or so. The most difficult part was definitely taking off the keycaps, but it definitely paid off because it was so much easier putting them back on. So now let's do a sound test and see if the hype is worth it. And like I said, I want to lube it up, but that will be for another video. So let's listen to it. Alright, so there you have it. There isn't a huge difference, or at least none that I can tell right now. However, after editing this video and using this keyboard, I realized that these switches are amazing. The tactile feedback is unlike any other key switch I've experienced. I would have really liked it if it was a loop, just because I know it will make a significant difference when it comes to the sound. It does sound a little louder than the Cherry MX Brown, but nothing significant. I also feel like it's a lot easier to type and make fewer mistakes. Is it worth $70 and waiting 3 months? That is up to you. For me it is. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully it gave you a better idea of what to expect if you're thinking of getting this, or if you're waiting on it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It really means the world to me. I'm going to try to edit these 2 other videos that I just have chilling on my hard drive and giving you guys more content. Until then, peace.